Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a surreal floating photo effect using Gemini with the brand new Nano Banana feature. This tool lets you instantly edit any image with just a simple text prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini and then log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on Create Image to access Nano Banana, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google latest feature that makes photo editing super easy. You only need to type in your prompt and the AI does all the magic for you. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. This can be any picture, your portrait, or your friend photo, or even a random pose you captured. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And once the photo is uploaded, we're ready to guide the AI with a creative prompt. Before I already have one prompt like this. You can copy my prompt exactly or just feel free customize the details, maybe change the outfit lighting to fit your styles. Next I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it and then when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will see the AI create a dramatic floating effects instantly like this. Honestly, this looks super cool and super cinematic, almost like a movie poster. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just created a surreal floating photo effect using Gemini Nano Banana. Just try playing around with different prompts to make unique results. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.